Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Tuesday, May 27, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in technology, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech-related indexes showed remarkable strength today. The Nasdaq 100 rose 499 points to 21,415, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 462 points to 19,199. The technology sector led with a 2.5% gain, closing at 4,533. Market breadth was notably positive in tech today. The Nasdaq 100 saw 88 advancers versus just 12 decliners. The Nasdaq Composite showed similar strength, with nearly 1,900 advancing stocks against 1,166 declining. Looking at returns, the technology sector leads month-to-date with an 11% gain. The healthcare sector has struggled, down 6.1% for the month, despite today's 1.3% rise. Among top tech performers, Teradyne led with a 6.1% gain to 81.74. Intuit hit new all-time highs for the second straight day, climbing 4.4% to 752 amid increased volatility. In the monthly view, Microchip Technology stands out with a 27.3% gain. KLA maintains a strong upward trend, advancing 12.3% month-to-date, while showing a robust 25.2% year-to-date return. Among underperformers, Fair Isaac plunged 11.2% to 1,504, marking its fifth consecutive down day with heightened downward volatility. VeriSign fell 3.6% to 270 amid increased volatility. Looking at broader returns, Fair Isaac has declined 24.4% month-to-date. Despite today's decline, VeriSign maintains a positive 30.2% return year-to-date. Technology ETFs showed impressive gains today. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both rose over 2%. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF outperformed with a 3.1% gain. Leveraged ETFs saw amplified moves, with 3x Bullish QQQ surging 6.9%. Month-to-date returns show significant momentum in tech ETFs. VanEck Semiconductor ETF leads with a 15.9% gain, while Vanguard Information Technology and QQQ have returned about 10%. The 3x Bullish QQQ has amplified these gains with a 29.3% monthly return.
Looking at stocks and tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Leading tech companies posted solid gains today. Meta Platforms and Microsoft maintained very strong positive trends, while Alphabet, Apple, and Amazon all gained around 2.5%. Year-to-date returns show contrasting performance. Meta Platforms and Microsoft are up about 9%, while Apple has declined 20%. Alphabet and Amazon show modest losses around 6–8%. In semiconductor stocks, Navitas Semiconductor surged 47.3% to hit a one-year high. Air Test Systems jumped 11.8% after breaking out from sideways movement. Nova advanced 8.2% while maintaining a mixed positive trend. Monthly returns highlight Navitas Semiconductor's remarkable 236% gain. Indie Semiconductor has risen 30% this month despite year-to-date weakness. Peraso shows sideways movement after 139 days of consolidation. Cloud computing leaders showed strength today. Intuit and CrowdStrike both reached new all-time highs. Snowflake hit a one-year high with upward volatility. Shopify rose 5.1% with a strong positive trend. Year-to-date performance shows CrowdStrike and Snowflake leading with gains over 33%. Intuit has risen nearly 20%, while Oracle shows a slight decline of 2.8%. In AI and robotics, iRobot surged 54.2% after breaking out from 11 days of sideways movement. Vicarious Surgical gained 11% despite a negative trend. Symbotic rose 6.7% with upward volatility. Monthly performance shows iRobot up 62% and Symbotic gaining 42%. Yaskawa Electric rose 14%, while Teradyne advanced 10% despite its mixed negative trend. Leading AI and robotics thematic ETFs showed strong gains today. Robotics and AI and automation Bull TWOX led with a 6.3% rise to 20.52. SPEAR Alpha ETF and AI and robotics both gained about 3%, showing very strong positive trends. Month-to-date returns highlight impressive performance. Robotics and AI and automation, Bull TWOX and SPEAR Alpha ETF have both gained over 20%. Robot Cs and automation and robotics each gained over 10%. Electric vehicle stocks showed mixed performance. Tesla surged 6.9% to 362.89, while Lucid gained 3.1%. Rivian declined for a fourth straight session, while XPeng dropped 3.3%, showing mixed negative trends. Year-to-date performance shows XPeng leading with a 63% gain. Li Auto and Rivian have both gained over 15%. However, Tesla remains down 10% despite today's strong performance. Quantum computing stocks rallied today. Summit Hotel Properties jumped 8.1% to 4.49, while IonQ gained 5.1% with notable volatility. Applied Materials, TE Connectivity, and Honeywell all showed strong positive trends. Month-to-date returns show IonQ significantly outperforming with a 75% gain. TE Connectivity and Honeywell have gained over 7%, while Summit Hotel Properties remains down 34% year-to-date. Solar stocks showed strong gains today. Beam Global led with a 10.2% rise, breaking out from sideways movement. FTC Solar jumped 9.4%, while Emeren gained 7.7%. Sonova remains in a strong downtrend despite today's gains. Month-to-date performance shows Beam Global up 28% and Emeren gaining 24%. However, Sonova has declined 94% year-to-date, while SolarMax is down 29%. Thematic tech ETFs showed strong performance today. ARC Innovation ETF led the group, rising 1.93 to 58, with a very strong upward trend. Semiconductor ETFs dominated the list, with iShares Semiconductor ETF and VanEck Semiconductor ETF both gaining over 3%. Month-to-date returns highlight strong performance across semiconductor themes. SPDR SandP Semiconductor ETF leads with a 19.3% return, while VanEck Semiconductor ETF follows at 15.9%. ARC Innovation shows consistency with positive returns across all time frames.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.